Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my live recording session. I'm your host Gnez-Trader. I just want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor or anything related to that. I just post videos for educational and entertainment purposes only. With that being said, let's get into the trades. And today's video, we are talking about the topic how not to trade stocks. And you will see this video as an example of my own fault, not following my trading plan. And this is definitely not the way to trade stocks. Or anything in any currency, if it's crypto or forex or anything, don't do this. I think every trader who knows a little bit about day trading will say to you, you need a trading plan. And that's for a good reason, because having a trading plan allows you to have an edge on the market and to the others, so you can win more times or you can win more profit. It doesn't mean necessarily win more. What I'm saying by that is, let's say you are a 1-to-1 risk ratio trader. This means you have to be winning more to compensate with your losses. If you lose 50% and you win 50%, you are break even. But if you lose more than you win, you will actually lose more because you have a 50-50% chance. But let's say someone is using a 1-to-5 risk ratio. If he's using that, when he wins one time, he can actually lose 5 times. So his win percentage doesn't have to be huge. You can have a pretty low win percentage but still make more profit. That's the reason behind it. Your trading strategy needs to be based on how you trade. In my case, I need a strategy that allows me to win often, not that often, but at least to a certain point, so I can still have the confidence that I can trade. However, some people do 1 to 10. You can lose 8 times in a row and win one, and you are still up. But that can mess up your mind. It's also about your emotions. Can your emotions handle 8 times or 9 times losing streak and just one time 10R making your profits back? That's something very difficult to do for me, and that's why I'm not using that kind of trading style. So first you need to find a good trading plan. Now, what not to do with the trading plan? Not following it, of course. And that's what I did in this video. Actually, I had 3 trades, and my strategy is based on 1 to 2 trades, and I did 3 trades. And the reason why I did that is because I got emotions from the start. So actually, I started with Meta. It was loser, but it was according to my trading plan. However, it didn't succeed. But it didn't succeed right at the start. So when it touched my entry level, it went down immediately. If I would have waited or put my entry point a little bit higher, it wouldn't even touch it, and I could have get out of it. But because it hit and it immediately went backwards, that was the reason I got emotional, I think, at that point. And for that reason, I wanted to find another stock immediately, which is okay because I trade one, max 2 trades, but I try to be on only one. But in some cases, I do 2 trades. So I did that, and that went pretty okay because Nvidia was going upwards. However, because I lost the first one, my second trade, I was putting my stop loss very early to a profit point, which was too early, and that's why it tipped. And I re-entered, and it went up again. However, if I kept the first one, I would have made much more money than with 2 trades in a row. But that again was not a good decision, because my trading plan is only based on 1, max 2 trades, and I did a 3rd trade. I'm just gonna say I didn't follow my trading plan, and that's not good in trading stocks. If you the only reason why this is okay is because it happens one time, and we are humans, we are not robots, we have emotions. So sometimes the emotions get into our head and we make bad decisions because of that, and not logical thinking. So that's why I'm saying emotions are one, if not the worst enemy, or the most dangerous thing in the world that can let you do things that you normally would not do. In this case, I didn't follow my plan, and that's okay. Again, if it happens once every month or something, or once every year, it's okay. But if it is on a consistent basis, you are trading with emotions, then you should not trade anyways. Even stocks, crypto, forex, nothing of that. That's just what I wanted to say. Keep your emotions intact and follow your trading plan. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Smash that like button and do not forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.